Neha, we again received the escalation. You know why we received this escalation? I tell you why we received this escalation. Because we did not get the ticket, it was pending, it was idle on system for 45 minutes. And we lost a deal for us because of that. And who all are working right now?
Only me and Divya are working right now. Divya is working from home. I checked with her, but she is responding right now.
Can you check right now what happened to this ticket?
I can't. But I need a reply from Divya.
Yeah, sure. Give me a do a RC and get back to me within 5 minutes. Okay?
I don't know why Divya is not responding.
Yeah.
Divya, but she's not replying, so I cannot help it out. I've seen there are 50 tickets already pending over there, and Divya has only picked one ticket right now. It's been 5 hours working, and I've done 10 tickets. I cannot work again. I'm already doing double shifts. I can't do more than that. So you have to check with Divya why she is not working or why she is working from home.
So she is not picking up requests proactively right now.
Right.
And it's been how long? You haven't observed this? This is a regular practice?
Yeah, whenever she works from home. Like it's in 1 week, there has to be like 1 week work from home. But it has to be work from home. It should not be rest from home or party from home. So I have to check with this.
Totally understood it. Okay, thank you Neha. What I will do is I will check with Divya and get back. Okay, you go back to work and I will start thinking about the problem we have and how to find out a solution for it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now team, what I will do is I will from this week onwards, okay, I will take a team average, okay, and whosoever is doing less than 80% of the team average will throw a party for the whole team, and like the team average is, let's say, 50 requests, whosoever is doing only 40 will throw a party for team, and whosoever is doing more than 120%, I will take those people out for a lunch in a 5-star hotel, okay, and this offer is only valid for 1 week, okay. Let's try, let's see who wants to go for a lunch in a 5-star hotel, okay, and then we will do it.
So it has to be like 80% and more than 80%?
See, if you are above 80%, then you will get a party from the team members who are doing...
120 will get a party.
No, everyone who is above 80% will get a party from the team members who are below 80%.
From the team members who are below 80%?
Yes.
And if everyone is above 80%, then you will give a party, right?
The person who is above 120% will get a party from me and team, and if people are between 80 to 120, they will get a party from the team. Okay?
Okay. And this has to be like
Understood?
quarterly? Or
So this is a weekly thing I will
this
do.
is a weekly thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? Despite of the fact anyone is working from home or from office or doing a night shift or a day shift, doesn't
And
matter.
if a person is working from home and not working,
So see, they have to give a party, right? They have to spend money for it.
okay.
Right? Got it? Okay. Now, hey, hi, Prashant. We were facing challenges, right? We received the escalation that request was idle for 45 minutes and then we lost a deal on it.
And why did you check that?
We checked it and we did a RCA and then we came out with a plan.
Okay.
The plan is that now we observed it for 2 weeks. It has shown a positive results, and I will present you the same thing. Okay. What I will do is I will take out a team average on a weekly basis.
Okay.
Okay. And I will do it for a quarter now. Okay. I have observed it for 2 weeks, and I have so whosoever is doing less than 80%. Okay. I will give it as a goal. Okay. Like if you are less than 80%, and your 25% goal of achieving or delivering service is not achieved, and if you are above 120%, I will go ahead and nominate you for quarterly Gold Star Award. So what will happen is now people are fighting to pick up requests, and if requests are in the system, they are trying to resolve it ASAP because they have to maintain a certain percentage. So as they are maintaining certain percentage, proactively they are picking up requests, and now as they are proactively picking up requests, the idle time is getting reduced because once they resolve a request, they directly go back and they try to grab a request. So it has shown a positive result. Like in the past 2 weeks, we were at 45 minutes average idle time. Now we have reduced it to 15 minutes, and I hope I will reduce it to 5 minutes in this quarter.
Great, Jed. If it is already proven and tested method, then I would say go ahead with that. And let's see if we need any more improvement plans in future. And good job for this one. And we hope we increase the proactiveness for this.
Sure. Thank you.
Put your hands together for team number 8.